Hello, welcome back to Lessons with Martin. This one is blanch and refresh. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along if you're enjoying these little videos. If you're not, cool. We're not going to be doing any cooking in these videos. I'm just going to be talking about the techniques so I can do little condensed videos so you get to learn and I get to talk, because I like talking. So blanch and refresh is one of my favorite techniques, and it is used across a lot of things in cooking. And the one thing that I need to remind you of is this thing called residual cooking temperature. Residual. Why is this so important? Let me explain. So the technique of blanch and refresh is you blanch something in boiling water. So let's take some green beans, for example. So this is salt in boiling water. Your green beans go in, they cook. They get to the point of being cooked here. If you was to take them out and then leave them on the side, they'll continue cooking at a very slow rate, but that goes into what I like to call bummy dark green territory. And this is where they can get spoiled, okay? So the way that we can stop that is by blanching them into boiling water, removing them after 30 seconds, maybe a minute, depending on how thick the ingredient is. And then we plunge it straight into ice cold water, the refresh stage. That is this point here where it will stop it from cooking and it will lock in everything. So when you're doing prep in restaurants, it is a massive thing you'll do, because people don't sit there and blanch green beans to order. What they'll do is they'll blanch and refresh a load of green beans. You've taken to this point, so you've kind of cooked them 3/4 of the way, so they'll still have a bit of bite in them. Then from there, all you do is you put it into a pan with a little bit of butter, a little bit of water, a little bit of oil, and then you just fry it up and then you get them going. Or you just drop them back into boiling water for like 10 seconds just to sort of take the coldness out of them, and they'll be cooked and ready to go. So blanch and refresh is a massive technique you use across everything. Even if you went to something very simple like a pasta salad, if you wanted to cook your pasta and you wanted to still have a bit of a bite and you didn't want it all stick together, you boil it to the point of where you're like, I think I'm happy with that. Take it, drain it, refresh it in ice cold water, then it can sit there and you can use it for a pasta salad. Noodles in Asian cooking, they do it a lot as well, because the starch in the noodles will make them very sticky. So you blanch them in boiling water, you take them out, you drain them, you refresh them, and then they're ready to be used. It can be even used in something like an egg, for example. If you were poaching an egg, you can poach an egg for say 3 minutes. You take it out, it's just about done. Put it into ice cold water, it will stop the cooking process. I used to do this in restaurants. We used to cook maybe like 20, 30 of them. And then when an order comes in, you're like, great, take it out of ice cold water, plunge it into boiling water, and it will take you 15 to 20 seconds to reheat, plate up, and then you're good to go. So this technique is amazing across loads of things in cooking. You won't realize you're doing it until you're doing it. If you do a lot of meal prep, it's also absolutely amazing for that, because it will keep your ingredients staying and feeling quite fresh until you reheat them. Not until you reheat them, but up until the point of reheating them, if that makes sense. So there you go. That is blanch and refresh. Dogs are in, one of my favorite techniques. Bye bye.